it's Morgan with WTI.
I cannot get enough of this artificial fiddly fig tree from Innoasis. This thing is so beautiful. It has added such a beautiful amount of life to our home, especially in a corner where we don't get sunlight. I just love having this artificial tree. It is so pretty. I think it's really realistic looking. I can't get enough of it. And it's super tall, over 6 feet. That's amazing. The packaging was great. It came very secure. It was really easy to set up. It only took a few minutes, and I loved that because I just wanted to get it up and going as soon as possible. And I was able to move the leaves around to get them to the shape that I wanted, and it took no time at all. I just absolutely loved it. It's so much fun to play with. I love how it looks next to my bookshelves, especially with the height. It's so huge. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't get enough of it. I definitely recommend it.
I absolutely love this tree, and that's my point of view.